single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my...
The first thing you want to do is lay everything out on the ground before you mount it. And you look at the wiring diagram from the wiring harness here. And we're going to lay it out just like this. Just looking at the wiring harness. So these leads here are going to plug into the bottom of the compressor. This unit here is going to plug right into the relay. You've got ends that are going to connect to your battery terminals. And note that you've got the 30 amp fuse comes with the wiring harness. And the other end of the wiring harness has connectors that plug into the horn's electrical system. And finally, there is an air tube which connects the compressor with the sound producing unit. So I'm going to show you how all this hooks up. So with the wiring harness, you can see really how easy it is to set this whole thing up. So I've got the horn here. I actually took the horn off just to make it easy to see. And it plugs in, the wiring harness plugs right into the existing electrical system. So blue wire into blue wire, red wire into red wire. And if you want to replace your horn, use the Denali Soundbomb instead of your horn, you can just plug in like this. Okay, so now everything's hooked up. We've got the two leads plugged into the compressor. We've got the air tube connecting the compressor to the sound unit. We've got the relay plugged into the wiring harness. The wiring harness is wired in to the battery. And the two terminals are plugged into the bike's horn system. So let's see if this works. And it works quite well. That's really loud. Alright, so this is my final setup. I ended up putting the acoustic unit, the unit that makes noise, right here. I used one of the ties to strap it onto the frame. I think this would be better than some of the other options I looked at. It's kind of close to the radiator, but it's probably still be alright. I'll watch it for a while, see if there are any problems. Overall, the setup is real simple. Getting the pre-made harness is totally worth it. Just get it, don't question it. So I wired in the harness here. Is just my setup with the relay easily accessible. The fuse is easily accessible. Under the tank, and this is where I have my compressor. The compressor's right there. It seems to be pretty stable there, but I'll watch it for the first few weeks. And use the hosing, just routed the hosing down through the frame and down to the acoustic unit along with the wiring to the horn. It's really simple. So the acoustic unit's right in there, can you tell? If I hadn't pointed out, I wouldn't really know myself. So it blends in great. Can't tell it's there. Crazy loud. So thanks for watching and good luck with your installations. That is insanely loud.